Everyday vs everyday. The words everyday and everyday are easily and commonly confused in English. In this lesson, you will learn how to use everyday vs everyday correctly. The best way to understand the difference between these two words is to look at what function they serve in our sentences. Are they an adjective, noun, adverb, etc.? In this lesson, we want to go over everyday versus everyday and give you a few tips to keep track of these words. When to use everyday. Usage. Everyday is one word. Everyday is an adjective and always used before a noun. Meaning, used or seen regularly, ordinary, common, not special. Examples. Her paintings are of ordinary everyday objects. I learn everyday English. Equals I learn spoken English. Complaints seem to be an everyday occurrence. This handbook is a neat epitome of everyday hygiene. She wanted to escape the monotony of her everyday life. School is an everyday event for most children. People judged to be functionally illiterate lack the basic reading and writing skills required in everyday life. The book gives a good picture of everyday life in ancient Rome. I'm fascinated by the trivia of everyday life. I like her common sense approach to everyday problems. The internet has become part of everyday life. When to use everyday. Usage. Everyday is used as two words. Every day is an adverbial phrase, adjective plus noun. Meaning, each day. Examples. Live every day as the last day of life. It is important for him to attend every day. She leaves home at 7 every day. She commutes from Oxford to London every day. He cycles to school every day. The library is open every day. To sensible men, every day is a day of reckoning. Sophie meditates for 20 minutes every day. She crisps her hair every day. People used to come and visit him every day. We work every day except Sunday. In its annual report, UNICEF says at least 40,000 children die every day.